Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today vlog is going to be Majestic Barachukki Waterfalls, one of the twin waterfalls of Shivasamudra. Trust me guys, this journey, the views and the sheer energy of this place will make you fall in love with nature all over again. Well, last time we couldn't visit this place due to entry time restrictions and the security did not allow us. So this time we don't want it to miss and we went early.
Hey guys, so after Barachukki, so finally somehow we were able to come here. Me and my macha is handling the camera. This is the place. I'm gonna show you guys around. The weather is really killing today. It's too hot. Too hot and then good. You can see couples there. Whenever we go, we'll find couples. Hey, monkeys are out. I just saw.
That sound, the roar of Barachukki greeted us long before we saw it. When it finally appeared before our eyes, oof, it was pure magic, vast, powerful and breathtakingly cinematic, guys. Every drop of water here tells a story of nature's strength, beauty, and calmness all at once. This is not just a waterfall, it's an experience. Standing there, I noticed something. So many people busy, capturing moments that they even forgot to live them. Sometimes we get so caught up in framing the perfect shot, we forgot to simply look up, breathe in, and feel what's around us. Because nature isn't meant to be captured, it's meant to be felt. Here at Barachukki, every drop of water whispers that reminder. As I stood there, lost in the endless beauty of Barachukki, the sound of the water, the mist touching my face, the green stretching till the horizon, I couldn't help but feel completely at peace. But while I was soaking it all in, my cousin had a different spark in his eyes. He kept saying, "There is a trail through the forest. It might lead us closer to the water." He was busy finding a way to experience something unbelievable, something beyond the view, something only a little bit of courage could reveal. Wanna find out what it is? Just wait.
So this is the parking place. So that is the entrance. See a lot of snacks and all that. So they did not allow, inside the water because the waterfall is very furious, honestly, and it looks a bit dangerous too. So this is another way where we can reach the falls, I guess. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh boy. What the hell I'm doing, huh? I think my macha went off. Oh, there are people. They're doing something. I think they're doing fishing and all that. Oh yeah. This. Oh my god. ఏమైంది లేదా వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా
A friend of my cousin, a local guy, guided us on call, showing a secret way through the forest that could take us unbelievably close to the falls.
So I don't know, we wanted to go little near to the waterfall. So a friend of ours actually suggested this route, who's a local guy. So yeah, here we are. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. So the water flow is like hell. It actually looks like hell. So we're not ready to take any risk. So we're trying to find another way where can lead us a little closer to the falls. I don't know whether you guys can hear the noise or not, but the noise is really tremendous. Yeah. And oh no, see, it's yeah. Hey, those guys, there are like two more guys, who are here. I don't know where they are. Okay, so these guys went to this road. I don't know whether the noise is audible or not, but oops. Huh? I wish you would have taken your bike. You would have. I hope we won't encounter any wild animals. Where the is it going, man?
The only thing that kept running through my mind was the hope of not encountering any wild animals along those forest trails.
Yeah. Oh boy. Ilva? Huh? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಇವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಹುಡುಗ.
Finally, we made it. Here it is, this massive, incredible waterfall. It feels unreal, guys. No more words from here. Just let the roar of the falls take over and get lost in its sound.
Where to go? Hi! Guys, you don't believe it, like the way it looks. Oh my god. Dude, let's not go. Come. Hey, Utrara, dangerous down there. Pata. మరి ఇంత దగ్గర అవసరం ఆడు చెప్పినాడు పెట్టేసి రారా అని పో It's like raining, bro. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy fuck. What the hell, man? Fuck. What the hell? Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like Bahubali VFX, guys. Mother Bahubali VFX, man. You guys don't know what I'm seeing right now? This shit is getting fucking holy mother man. I never thought we'll make it here, okay? But this shit is crazy. This shit is crazy, man. Holy fuck. I never had such an adventure in my life. I don't know whether you can hear my voice or not, but this shit is crazy. Crazy to the core. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look at this shit. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Oh my god! What the f***? Holy shit! This shit is crazy! This is so close! Right! Oh my god. Ready? No. Oh, it's raining here! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, this is crazy, guys! This is crazy!
the very reason behind doing this adventure is to create just this moment I waited for a long time. See. That was my favorite movie song from Rhythm, and I always wanted to create, that thing. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend anyone to explore this trail. It's too dangerous actually. And we did notice few drunken locals roaming around, so couples should definitely avoid this spot for safety reasons. Adventure is thrilling, but safety always comes first. Also, your footwear plays a crucial role here. Make sure you are wearing a grippy trekking shoes, or you could easily slip on these wet rocks. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend anyone to try this trail. It's quite risky and can be really dangerous.
Credit scenes.
We got soaked like wet raccoons, so we had to make an emergency roadside pit stop, not for snacks but to air dry our clothes like a laundry on vacation. Shoes, helmet, wallet, everything. And yes, some village ladies definitely gave us that. What are these people doing? Look, clearly not their usual roadside scene for sure. On the way, while we were returning, then those lush, greeny paddy fields called me, and I couldn't move forward. Got down and enjoyed some time, thanked Mother Nature, and yeah, I felt nothing can replace the nature. Definitely not. Like that, we collected more memories at Barachukki and captured them to cherish. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next one with more adventures. Thank you. Signing off.